welcome back to my channel. My name is Cindy and you're watching Little Star Plans. Welcome back to my channel, and today's video I will be showing you my October and November weekly spread. I'm excited to show you this. It's been a while. I want to go through and show you what I have done for those 2 months, and every single week is different. I use different stickers and different washi tape, different colors, kind of make my spread really pop out. I've been very consistent with using Hobonichi Cousin, and I want to let you guys know that I have decided to walk away from Hobonichi Cousin and try a new planner, which I'll be showing you guys another time. It's very similar to Hobonichi Cousin, like weekly spread, but it's a lot more space. But I'm excited to see how I'm gonna use that planner since I am not familiar and it's my first time using that planner. So it'll be exciting to see how I can apply this type of setup to my new planner. And you know, I'm always up for trying something new, and I think that'll be kind of interesting for you guys to see that too. So here we are. This is the first week of October. By the way, this is like a bookmark that I made like a long time ago with these like glitter and stars in it, and I've laminated it. I think it's kind of cute to put in a planner. Here we have our October. Some days are blank and that is okay, and sometimes I just like to put sticker washi to cover it. Here we have some washi tape at the bottom, and there's a lot of things going on Saturday, and a little mini sticker that says flu shot, which I got on Saturday. Next week, which is week of 41st week, lots of doodle for this week. And one thing I did something different is this reminder, little hidden type of like sticker here. Actually, it's this piece of paper and I taped it on the side, and I wanted to add like a pop-up reminder of message for myself. So I think I wrote about habit tracker. So I mentioned it about habit tracker, how we use it as a tool to build awareness, not to judge yourself or hate yourself for not doing more. So it's just a reminder for myself that even though like we don't really track our habits all the time, and sometimes we just don't do it, and it's totally okay. It's just a tool to kind of build an awareness and kind of let us know like how we're doing, not so much of like hating yourself for not doing habit tracking. So that's that. This little message. So a lot of Halloween, kind of building a Halloween theme here. You can see that things are going there. Lots of like Halloween stickers. These are the ones I made. So some happy face from Mimi and planning sticker. You can do it. I love these type of stickers. You can do it. On the left, I do have like a tracker for the week that I'll be moving away, and here's a habit tracker, which I kind of stopped adding that in my spreads later in the month, as you can see later on. So a bunch of like doodle and some breakfast, lunch, and dinner at the bottom. Week of 42, still pretty consistent with the habit tracker. Still use that tracker for the moving date. Some more doodles. I really like these doodle here, so it's like check it twice, and then things I need to do, like out of the calendar, which I have sent out. I'm really happy. Oh, I forgot to show you the first day, day 1 for Advent calendar, and this is the one. And this is the one I show you guys. Look how cute it is. So it is a tracker. Actually, it's a countdown for New Year. So you would use countdown begins now, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then Happy New Year with Niku holding a 2021 balloon. So this is day 1 sticker. So here we have lots of writing here. Next week we have 43rd. Still kept it very consistent with the habit tracker on the side. Still kept it with this week very consistent with that. I did highlight that as usual. Added bunch of dots on the side, decoration. So you can see a lot of things are happening here. Very simple and clean. Lots of like to-do tasks for each column. So for each day, I just still have the weather tracker at the top. I did include some full box stickers here, although it doesn't fit, but I can always like cut it down to size, but I just kept it as it is. I think it's nice to give that characteristic for this week's spread. Next, we have 44th week. Here we have a lot more orange color, more Halloween theme that's happening like right here for Halloween. Lots of costume related Halloween stickers. We have it here. I did cut it down in size to fit in the side. Habit tracker, and did use some orange pen and orange marker. Next, we have 45 week. This is the beginning of November. Still going with a orange theme, and I did utilize a lot more washi tape at the bottom. I wanted to try something different, which is adding a long, skinny washi tape at the bottom, and then like a semi-half, and then kind of tear it into a little bit and add it to the spread. It actually looks like really nice in here. I did cut it down in size for this full box to fit this column, but it looks really nice. I did add a few like quote stickers here that I made for our freebie. It now says treasure every precious moment, and that is nice to add it in this space. Have Mimi holding her pumpkin spice latte. I have Mimi, this is a very old sticker, it's like work. I like how it says work right there, and a bunch of other stickers. 46th week is a little bit more foil and pink spread. I don't know if you guys know, I love anything related to pink, so pink spread, pink washi tape will be like my go-to theme. So here I am back on pink. I know it's more like a spring type of theme, but I like pink so much, so I added a bunch of like washi tape. But the main thing is that I still include like to-do tasks for each day, things to remind myself, and so on. Oh, I remember this is our very old stickers design I made like many years ago. Next week, 47th week, here we have a little yellow, a little pink, and it's actually my very first time adding a date cover-up. I am not a big fan of date cover-ups, but you can see that these are from my old kits. I did cut down to size, but I think they turned out really nice. It's my first time using it. I'm not a big fan of using date cover-ups in Hobonichi Cousin. I like to keep it, preserve its own like layout. That's my goal, but this is actually my first time doing it. It's actually turned out not that bad. And here I really like it. I use our summer kit here, this full box, and I added Nuku in the middle, so I kind of add the pop-up in the center. And I have you can do it, like these inspiration and motivation quote stickers I really like. I do add them from time to time. And so I added this large laptop sticker from Nuku, and I added pack avid calendar, reminding myself to keep packing and kind of send them as soon as possible. Same thing this time, still tracking for the day when I move out. Here we have a bunch of other stickers here. This is 48th week, still in November. This is actually our last week spread, and it's turned out really nice because I did use Amanda's washi tape at the bottom, and oops, I think I cut up Amanda's washi tape. It's so pretty. The texture is very thick, but I like it. And above this one, the foil one, actually is one that I made as a sticker washi tape. Here we have the ice cream kit full box. I added the bottom, and this is a little surprise as actually part of our Avid calendar goodies. So if you guys have purchased our Avid calendar, you should receive something with this design. So it's exclusive to your order, and you can't really find it anywhere else on my shop. But yes, I really like it. It says chocolate, actually hot chocolate. So I used a smaller laptop for Black Friday sale and a bunch more of this. So this is what my spread looks like for 48th week. And this is for this week, but it's not done yet. So that is my week in November and October. So what do you guys think? Every week is different, and it gives me joy in planning and looking forward to plans. Something that I like to do. I like adding sticker, I like adding motivation quotes, I like adding washi tape in there, really motivate me and be creative in my planner spread. Definitely you don't have to add stickers to make it work. So for instance, I did add a bunch of doodles and it does work out like this. Just like these. It's fun. It makes me want to continue to plan, and that's why I've been doing this for many years now. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video of overview in October and November. If you guys have a question, feel free to let me know in the comments below, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye guys!